It's the most wonderful time of the year.
Hi everyone! Welcome to Rose Daily English. My name is Rose. Let me tell you about my amazing Christmas day. I open my eyes slowly. I see colorful lights next to my bed. Wow, it's Christmas! This is going to be the best day. I jump out of bed and run to the bathroom. I brush my teeth quickly, take a warm shower, and feel fresh. Then I put on my favorite red Christmas sweater with snowflakes on it. It is soft and warm. I look in the mirror, fix my hair, and smile at myself. I look perfect for Christmas, I say. I feel ready for all the fun ahead. I run downstairs and the big Christmas tree is shining with so many lights and ornaments. My family is waiting with big smiles. We sit around the tree and start opening gifts. I unwrap a beautiful new scarf and some books I wanted. "This is perfect! Thank you!" I shout and hug everyone. We all laugh and feel so warm inside. After a yummy breakfast with pancakes, we bundle up in coats and scarves. Soft snowflakes start falling as we walk to the Christmas festival in town. I skip ahead, catching snow on my tongue. The streets are decorated with lights, and I can hear music in the distance. This is magical, I think. We reach the festival, and it's like a winter wonderland. There are wooden stalls with shiny ornaments, gingerbread houses, and sweet smells everywhere. Bright lights twinkle on every tree and booth. I hold a warm cup of hot chocolate and sip it slowly. Yum! This tastes like Christmas, I say with a big grin. Next, I see the big glowing carousel spinning with colorful horses. "Please, can I ride it?" I beg. My family says yes, and I hop on a pretty white horse. The music plays, lights flash. As it gets darker, everyone gathers for the big lights show. The trees and stalls light up in colors: red, green, blue, gold.
Hey, you made it! So good to see you both. We wouldn't miss it for the world. This place is magical.
right.
But I have to go now. See you
We
soon.
walk
This was the
home
best market
slowly
ever.
under the
Yeah,
stars,
can't wait to get
with
home.
snow
Almost there
gently
with
falling.
family.
Back home, I sit by the Christmas tree with hot tea. The lights glow softly, and I look at all the ornaments. My family talks about the fun day. I'm tired, but my heart